In this video, I'm going to show you how you can adjust brightness and contrast color on your Darkreader extension. So by default, this is the color that Darkreader normally adapts whenever you install this extension on your Chrome browser. If you want to adjust this brightness or contrast color, then follow this tutorial. If you find this video helpful, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so the first thing you need to do is to go to your Darkreader extension, and you can simply do this by clicking on extension shortcut here and then click on manage extensions. Here you should see we have Darkreader extension. Go ahead and click on details, and here we have more settings option for this extension. For this, go ahead and choose extension option and then click on it. Now we have an option to adjust settings for this. Among the changes you can make is to switch from dark to light, or even add or reduce brightness, contrast, as well as the other options such as grayscale. So go ahead and adjust according to your wish, and by doing so it will be adjusted. And once you are done, go ahead and exit. And now if you go to your browser and search for anything, you should see the changes reflecting your current status. So that's how you can adjust brightness and contrast color on Darkreader extension. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching, and let's meet in the next video.